Ya, oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, may the peace and blessings of Allah, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, today I wanna make video. Next, my video about AERP. AGRP mindah jalur bandwidth. Okay, next, AGRP path switch based of bandwidth. Let's break it down. There's the first, there is router 1 and router 2, router 3, there is 3 router.
And on the
Initial topology is the same as before, router 1, router 2, router 3. This
there is default metric
router 1 also direct connect to router 3. The destination is still router 3 loop back 3.3.3.3/32, and then before manual selection we reset the delay setting.
metric AGRP.
This interface gig 1/0, no delay. This make the link back to normal. And then router 2 manipulation. On router 1, change the bandwidth value of the link forward to router 3 gig 1/0. This configuration interface gig 1/0, and then bandwidth 10. By default, the gigabyte interface has a very high bandwidth, and reducing it to 10 kbit makes the AGRP metric for this path extremely high. And then AGRP will prefer the alternative path to grow router 2. And then next, this AGRP topology table after bandwidth change. 12 FA0/0 composite metric. This 156.416 minimum bandwidth. This is this, and kbit. This total delay 5110 microsecond, and then hop count this 2, and then 13 gig 10, and then composite 256.128.256, and then minimum bandwidth 10 kbit, and then total delay 5010 microsecond, and hop count 1, and then next, short checks. This check Tracerot 3
AGRP OSPI different.
This check 11 12 24 6 16 and check this. Then
Routing RIP.
summary. This lab show how AGRP can be manipulated by changing the bandwidth parameter.
And then after you do
Original
that,
router
RIP
1
in router 1,
preferred the direct to router 3 because it had higher bandwidth. And then by lowering the bandwidth on the router 1, router 3, link its metric secreted. And then AGRP resolved and switching the preferred path to router 1, router 2, and router 3. And then the route
up to
confirmed
this
the
area.
this change.
Example area
The next
1,100, whatever.
in the lab
1,000
15
or 100, 200. Okay. And then the
this
next
about
we
EGRP
make the
equal load
network
balancing
100, and
topology
then
router 1, router 2, and router 3, router 1, 111, router
and then the
router
area
router 2, 2, 2, 2, router 3, 3, 3,
and
network
after
router 1
that,
and router
we
2,
can
11, this
distribute ISPF.
router
The
2,
redistribute
and then
ISPF.
router 1 and router 3,
Same like
13, and then router 2 and router 4, 24, and then
number
router 3 and router 4,
for here.
13,
The
4.
first number bandwidth. The second number is
So router 1 has two
and the
possible
third number is
equal fast path to reach router 4.
fourth is
Okay, number 2, EGRP configuration. Router 1 is router 1 and router 1, router 4. Router EGRP 1 network 000 node summary. Enable EGRP S1 advertise all connected network, disable automation flashful summarization.
delay. So like
And
this for the have the metric.
then router 1 routing table on router 1. This show IP route 44444.
3 million maybe.
Then
After that, guys,
router 1
for maps of and the third slide is lab
router 1
develop
show IP route EGRP. This 444
so in
via
topology
13
three
via 13 from
so
13 FA0/1
in route 1
0/1 and then
first is
D
you can
11
the
F4
RIP sorry RIP
this via
and after you
12
delete
12 12 12.2 FA0/0.
you can make
Router 1 has to reach 4444.
and after that you
Both
can
have equal EGRP metric 1 5
and the
8
must
8720. Then approve EGRP install both router in the routing table. This is cable equal cost route balancing. Then balancing this so IP route 4444. This 4444 13 this via this paths 1 router 3 1 3 4 and then path 2 1 2 1 2 4 and then both paths have the same metric 1 5 8 8720. EGRP balances traffic across the two links equal. Summary: this lab demonstrates EGRP equal cost line balancing. Router 1 has two possible route to router 4. Let's look back via router 2 and router 2 and via router 3. And then number 2, since both paths have the same metric bandwidth and delay are equally EGRP installed both router is the router table. Number 3, as a result, router 1 send traffic forward to router 4 using both paths equally, improving redundancy and bandwidth utilization. And then next, lab 16, EGRP and equally balancing. This topology, router 1, router 2, and router 3. Manipulation, this interface 0/0, bandwidth, this exit the bandwidth on interface 0/0. router 1, router 2 is changed to, then this reduces the metric for the path router 1, router 2, and router 4, but it still one wets the water path exit. Therefore, the two paths no have unequal cost. Then in this router table, router 1 show IP route AGRP is 4444 via 13.13.13.3 FA0/1. Only the path router 1, router 3, and router 4. Router 1, 3, 4 installed in the routing table. The alternative path via router 2 is not used because AGRP by default only balance traffic across equally cost paths. Then what this by adjusting the bandwidth on router 1, router 2, we created an situation where router 1 has primary path router 1, 3, 4, metric 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 8, 7 to 0, alternative path router 1 to 4, different higher metric. Since the costs are unequal, AGRP does not automatically install both paths into the routing table. Summary: this lab demonstrates AGRP unequal as path schedule. Number 1, AGRP normally does equally cost balancing only. Number 2, when one path metric is changed by modifying bandwidth, AGRP prevent only the lowest cost paths. Number 3, the second path is ignored unless we configure the variance command which allow unequal counts non-balancing. This router 1 and ENTF agar 0 bandwidth exit this. Untuk saya tampilan in router 1, you can check show IP AGRP topology 4444.4/32. This total delay 5200 microsecond. Non-composite metric this minimum, then this 11 FA 12 FA0/0 from 000 from 12 this total delay minimum and composite metric this variance F2 F1 this. Yeah, you can check in the router 1 show IP route 4444 same. Yeah, okay. This all from me. Thank you for your standing attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.